Hello lovies, welcome and welcome again. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, comment and share. My name is Miss Masao. Grace and peace everybody. So today we are going to be cooking rice mixed with beef. This is not pilau, it's just rice mixed with beef the Swahili way. So stay tuned and watch the video from the beginning to the end. As I said before, please don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to comment down below and let me know if you're going to be trying this recipe. Subscribing, all the ingredients I will list them in the description box below, so please do check the description box to know the amount of ingredients or the items that are needed for this recipe. On a stove, you're going to be putting your pan and adding a generous amount of oil. Then you're going to be frying your onions until they are golden brown. After your onions wilt down, you're going to be adding some cumin powder, some mixed herbs and some garlic. You're going to be mixing everything around for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you're going to be adding your washed rice, all of it. So I used 4 cups of washed rice, but you're going to be adjusting the ingredients for this recipe according to your family size. And all the ingredients, as I said before, they'll be listed down below in the description box. So please make sure that you check that before you start preparing this rice. After adding your rice, you're going to be mixing it around for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once your rice is well mixed with the onions, you're going to be adding in your fried meat. Now I just used normal cow's milk. I boiled it, then I fried it, but you can also use lamb, you can also use goat meat, whatever type of meat you prefer, you can add it in your dish. And then you're going to be mixing everything around. Then you'll add in your chopped vegetables. Now I used carrots and green bell peppers. You can use red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers. You can add in as much vegetables as you want. After that, you're going to be mixing everything around just as I did and let it fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to be adding your beef stock. Now this is homemade beef stock, but if you don't have this at home, you can use beef cubes with hot water, or you can go to the supermarket and buy beef stock. I believe it's available in supermarkets. Now this beef stock obviously adds lots and lots of flavor to your dish. It's the major ingredient. If you want your dish to taste fabulous, you need to add your beef stock. After adding everything, you're going to be adding your salt at the end and just mix everything. Make sure that it has a good amount of salt. Then you're going to be covering it up and let it start to cook. Now at this point, make sure that your heat is medium to low because you don't want to burn your rice. Now I'm cooking this rice on a gas stove, so I will show you guys how I do it. Now I don't have a good lid, as you saw. After some few minutes, you will see that the water has actually reduced. Now I'm going to be flipping my rice. Then I will use foil to cover the top of the pot, and then I'll put my lid afterwards. Now the foil helps with the moisture, because if you want your rice to come out fluffy and well cooked, it has to be cooked on low heat, and it has to be cooked with moisture, or it has to be cooked with vapor. So as you see, I'm just using my foil. I'll cover the pot with the foil. Now this is the method that I got from my mother. If you don't have a foil, you can use a plastic bag, but that is not safe for your health, so we're going to be using a foil. After that, as you can see, after 20 to 30 minutes, my rice is good. It's absolutely good. It's flaky, as you can see. This recipe looks similar to pilau, but it's actually not pilau. When you taste this rice, you will actually notice the difference. Now we ate our rice with some peas and vegetables and some fruits. It was so delicious. I hope that you guys are going to be trying this recipe, and let me know in the comment section below how you found this recipe. It's very common in some of Tanzanian homes, I believe. So if you try this recipe, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video. It truly supports my channel. And watch all the ads on my videos. I do have lots and lots of recipes down below. Please also do go and check them out. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, which is Instagram and this YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time, lovies. Bye bye.